How to improve testosterone for sex? Testosterone is a hormone that plays a crucial role in sexual health and overall well-being in both men and women. If you're looking to naturally boost your testosterone levels to improve your sexual health, there are several lifestyle changes and habits you can consider. Keep in mind that it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine, especially if you have specific health concerns. Here are some tips to help optimize your testosterone levels for better sexual health. Maintain a healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A diet that supports overall health can positively affect testosterone levels. Manage your weight. Maintaining a healthy weight can help optimize testosterone levels. Both obesity and being underweight can negatively impact hormone balance. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, including resistance training, cardiovascular exercises, and high-intensity interval training. Exercise has been shown to increase testosterone levels. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances and reduce testosterone production. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which may lower testosterone. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Limit alcohol and avoid excessive drinking. Excessive alcohol consumption can negatively affect testosterone levels. Limit your alcohol intake and avoid heavy drinking. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. A diet high in sugar and processed foods may lead to insulin resistance, which can negatively affect testosterone. Minimize your intake of sugary and highly processed foods. Healthy fats. Include healthy fats in your diet, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats are essential for hormone production. Zinc and vitamin D. Ensure you are getting adequate zinc and vitamin D in your diet or through supplements if necessary. These nutrients are important for testosterone production. Limit estrogen mimicking substances. Reduce exposure to environmental factors that can mimic estrogen in the body, such as certain plastics and chemicals. These substances can negatively affect hormone balance. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to decreased testosterone levels, so be sure to drink enough water. Consider herbal supplements. Some herbal supplements like ashwagandha, fenugreek, and tribulus terrestris have been suggested to have a positive impact on testosterone levels. Consult a healthcare professional before using any supplements. Limit environmental toxins. Minimize exposure to endocrine-disrupting chemicals found in pesticides, plastics, and some household products. Regular sexual activity. Regular sexual activity and arousal can help maintain healthy sexual function and may have a positive influence on testosterone levels. Remember that it's important to consult a healthcare professional, such as an endocrinologist or urologist, to evaluate and address any specific concerns related to your sexual health and hormone levels. They can provide tailored guidance and recommendations based on your individual needs.